I'm Kirby of the Bowenyo Vlogs, and today we are cooking with Sarangani Bay.
I'm sharing you two recipes for your Seabass, or also known as Apahap. And now let's start with baked Seabass. Before anything else, mga what's up tagtanglad. Let's go. Siyempre, atong hugasan kay basta ihi-ihian mo na siya lo. Preparing our ingredients, starting with lemon, butter, white rice wine, of course the garlic, the ginger, the tangled, and of course the lemon, sliced lemon. As you can see, I already filled my Seabass with the ginger and lemon on top, together with the butter, some dried rosemary, pepper and salt to taste. I fill it in with the lemongrass, ginger, of course, the garlic, and some butter as well, and pepper and salt. And now I'm going to pour in the acid, which is the rice wine. You can actually use any white wine, but rice wine is the only available in the kitchen. And it is now ready to bake. I actually saw the recipe online. It's just that I made a little change. Since we're Filipino, I wanted it to be more flavorful, more kick. Do you know what I mean? Of course, preheat your oven first and then put your Seabass. Bake it for 30 to 40 minutes in medium heat. Actually depends on how big your fish is. While waiting for our Seabass to bake, let's proceed to another recipe. And now for the honey French Seabass, let's start with our pan-fried potato slices. Starting with the pan-fried sliced potatoes, let's season it with the following ingredients: the oil, the paprika, salt, pepper, and turmeric powder. Preparing our deboned and sliced Seabass with these herbs and spices. Let's season it with salt, pepper, turmeric powder, and curry powder. For our sauce, let's prepare these following ingredients: pan frying the Seabass. As you can see, the other one is seasoned with turmeric and curry powder, with of course salt and pepper, and the other one is only seasoned with pepper and salt. And then for the sauce, I prepared red peppers, onion, garlic, and some chopped lemongrass. I just, what do you call that? sauteing. And now I'm going to blend it until I'm going to have a sauce consistency. And checking our baked seabass, and it's finally ready to serve. For me, it's 8 out of 10. Of course, I'm rating myself. You can smell everything what's inside, but it's kind of bland. Maybe I should have added more salt or make it more spicier, or maybe because I just recovered from COVID. Okay. For our honey French Seabass, it's 10 over 10. This Seabass is full of flavor, especially with the sauce, and it is best paired with the sliced potatoes. And that's it for today with the Seabass, or also known as Apahap, and I am hoping to share you more recipes.